So I bought this refrigerator. It to you guys is like Amazon. So you can see the lights is green. But the model behind doesn't work. That's so new. I just opened today. I received in May 25. But I decided to open the box today. And this stuff doesn't work. I want to know what you guys you're gonna do to figure it out there.
Waste of money, waste of money, waste of time. Water everywhere, water everywhere. Bottom part was open, how it was delivered. It's just like that. Let me see that Amazon tape. Somebody put an Amazon tape on here, and these was on top of it. This box shouldn't be used. It looks like it was used, and I'm not opening nothing else anymore, and I want another one.
The rubber stoppers are not on the bottom.